Yes, so this video is going to show you how this indicator is traded, how the signals appear from this indicator, what's the method behind it. So this is a dashboard which is applied to any one chart, and it is an indicator, and it just starts to show you the trend of that particular cross pair, cross currency, and also the base currency strength. So it works on a dual mode, which is checking whether a particular base currency has a positive direction, and then it will further check that any cross currency which is working on the strength of that particular base currency is also having positive strength behind it. So it will generate a buy signal. Likewise, when the base currency is of downward trend, obviously the related pair should also be traded in the downward trend. So that's the method that it will identify, and that is having a much higher probability to get better trades. Now, this red buttons which are under the sell levels, and there will be some green buttons coming from time to time under the buy levels, but at present they have come and they have disappeared. So the levels uh, keep coming, and then when the trend becomes the other side, it will either, or sideways, it will either go away, or it will show the other opposite signal. Now we can also click these buttons and open the charts only of the buy level and the sell level. So there is a setting which also automatically opens the charts and plots the signals which are appearing as and when the trade appears. So, like the currency I was placing this dashboard is on Australian dollar USD. So the sell had come here and it has gone much below the level. So this has almost reached your first target, and you wait, and it may trigger more signals. Like you see, there are repetitive arrows. So as and when there is a 1 hour candle close and it is in the same direction, it will give you a repeat re-entry, or if the trend is changed, it might give you a buy signal. Likewise, in other pairs, like this pair chart has been opened on its own automatically. So first the sell came, which is with the red arrow, and it came at this level 0.91026. Now it met some small 5 target, and then it gave a reversal. Now the trend now is of buy trend. Okay, so we take the order here and we wait along with our stop loss. Now same way, this is also sell triggered, but then it went to the opposite side and there is a buy trigger here. So these are certain signals which are of sideways market. Okay, so we'll come to the ones which are having some momentum. Now this one also showed a sell, and the sell will come right at the starting of the bar. So this is a 1 hour bar, and it will start at the starting of the bar. So you just take the trade, apply the stop loss, and then sit. So then out here there is a buy signal at the bottom. It came, so it is already gone up by some 300 points. So the particular loss was made up, well made up, and it is in the buy mode with a stop loss. This is still you're sitting and waiting because the stop loss is below this swing. You need to apply the stop loss here, so it's of around 290 points. So you just wait till it triggers. This is also gone against. Okay, there are 2 or 3 trades which went against. The rest have all gone in favor. Now this one is giving repeat arrows, still down. This is also down. AUD JPY. This is given you a good move of some 600, 500 points. Now this one minute. Uh, yes. So I'll cover all the charts. This one had come a buy, but it is triggered a stop loss here. So there is a stop loss of some 450 points. Now this is moving okay. This is come from this particular arrow, which is at the level of, you can say, at this point, and it is still not yet moved much up. Now this one came at this level somewhere here, and this is moving fine. So it's a good move that has come. This also has done well. So like there was a sell trade at so and so point, and it is gone to around 300 points. This one is still moving. It's not like this is this came on this candle, which is approximately at this point, and it is still moving down. So that's fine. Now this is, I think, pretty okay. This had come at starting of this bar, and then it's going down and down. Same way, this is also like that. It had come at the starting of the previous bar. The arrow is here, and it had come at around this level. So this is also going on. Same way here. So these, I mean, this is a market where there's not much movement today in some of the currencies. So you're in all of these trades, 10 or 11 trades, only two have hit the stop loss. One is this one. This has hit the stop loss at this point, below this point. So you are exited out here. And let's see this one. This is still, it's going against, but it is your stop loss will be placed at this point. So if it triggers, then you are out of the trade. So there is a few trades which I have gone against today because of the market being of a very ranging kind of market. Otherwise, you normally get around 70% accuracy of the signal. So this is the dashboard I wanted to explain to you, and hope it is of use. And also, please remember this tool can be mixed with some support and resistance levels. So if you have certain indicators which provide you good support and resistance levels, then you can use that, and it will maybe help you to take more safe trades which are with a confluence of the support and resistance. And also remember one thing, that you should trade the pairs, only those pairs which have volatility in them. So you can also have a cross check of which pairs are having volatility on that day by checking their ATR. If the ATR 14 or ATR 21 is not very narrow, then you can trade those scripts. So maybe these are some of the scripts which are of a very low ATR on the particular day, so they are not giving much of movement. So that's how you trade this indicator. It is a so we call this indicator is called multi-currency dashboard scalper. And scalper, why? Because it will give you multiple re-entries and give you opportunities to scalp. See, when it's turning range bound, it is becoming blue, then red and green, and all these colors are coming when there are certain movements coming in the script in the pair. So this is for more details and for any information regarding it, you may contact us on our mail, or you can contact us by we are also present on the MQL market, so our indicators are available there for purchase. You can check it out. I'll drop the link in the video description. So that's it for now. Thank you so much.